This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Wipe-able lining for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Durable material, built to stand up to wear and tear. Each bag will have a unique dye. Top reviews from the United States. Great gym bag. I had trouble finding a small gym bag. They were all way too big. I had to search for a tote to find this. It is perfect for my needs. It has plenty of room for my sweat towel, lotion, brush, little Kleenex packs, and small umbrella if needed. I could fit in a change of clothes too. My liner oflast gym bag tour. This tote has sturdy fabric. I put my weight gloves and my chapstick in the zippered interior pocket. I attached my keys with my fob thing to open the gym door to the little ring on the front of the bag. I am very happy with this tote bag.